Ethereum value equivalent to $17-19 a coin, in spite of mainstream thinking. The present range, $1,650–$1,727. The earlier day close, $1,665. The change was plus 54, plus 3.24%. Converse rate, USD to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Ethereum cost forecast for June 2023. In the first place, cost at $1,874, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Greatest cost $1,913, least cost $1,367 in an unpretentious way. The normal for the month $1,671. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,531. Change for June 18.3%. ETH to USD expectations for July 2023. To start with, cost at $1,531. Most extreme cost $1,649. Exceptionally least cost $1,309. The normal for the month $1,474. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,407. Change for July 8.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2023, which is genuinely critical. First and foremost, cost at $1,407, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Greatest cost $1,509, least cost $1,311, or so they really thought. The normal for the month $1,409. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,410. Change for August 0.2% in an unobtrusive way. ETH to USD expectations for September 2023. Initially cost at $1,410. Most extreme cost $1,548. Certainly least cost $1,346. In every practical sense. Normal for the month $1,438 in a significant manner. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,447. Change for September 2.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2023. To start with, cost at $1,447, in spite of mainstream thinking. Greatest cost $1,761, really least cost $1,447. The normal for the month $1,575. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,646. Change for October 13.8%. ETH to USD expectations for November 2023. At the outset, cost at $1,646, which is very critical. Greatest cost $1,782, most certainly least cost $1,548. The normal for the month $1,660. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,665. Change for November 1.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2023. To start with, cost at $1,665. Greatest cost $2,066, least cost $1,665. The genuinely normal for the month $1,832. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,931. Change for December 16.0%. ETH to USD expectations for January 2024. At the outset, cost at $1,931. Most extreme cost $1,931, least cost $1,662. The normal for the month $1,828. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,787. Change for January 7.5% in an unpretentious manner. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2024, which is genuinely huge. First and foremost, cost at $1,787. Greatest cost $1,787, most certainly least cost $1,396. The normal for the month $1,618, or so they by and large thought. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,501. Change for February 16.0%. Amazingly. ETH to USD expectations for WAC 2024, or so they thought. Before all else, cost at $1,501. Most extreme cost $1,863, least cost $1,501. The normal for the month $1,652. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,741. Change for spring 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2024. In the first place, cost at $1,741. Greatest cost $1,741. Certainly least cost $1,384 in spite of prevalent thinking. The extremely normal for the month $1,589. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,488 change for April 14.5% incredibly. ETH to USD expectations for May 2024. If we're all else cost at $1,488, most extreme cost $1,488, least cost $1,281. The normal for the month $1,409. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,377 change for May 7.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2024, as opposed to mainstream thinking. At the outset cost at $1,377. Most extreme cost $1,709, genuinely least cost $1,377 amazingly. The normal for the month $1,515. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,597 change for June 16.0%, or so they generally thought. ETH to USD expectations for July 2025, in opposition to mainstream thinking. In the first place cost at $1,173, greatest cost $1,173, least cost $917. The normal for the month $1,062. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $986 change for July 15.9%, which is genuinely huge. USD to ETH conversion scale equivalent to 0.5818 Ethereums per $1,000. Today, S-reach 0.5790-0.6060, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The past day, S-nearby 0.6005. Change for now 0.0187, 3.11%. USD to ETH expectations for June 2023. At the outset cost at 0.534 Ethereums. Greatest cost 0.732, especially least 0.523. The normal for the month 0.611. The USD to ETH gauge toward the month's end 0.653, change for June 22.3% in a significant way. Dollar to Ethereum figure for July 2023. Before all else cost at 0.653 Ethereums. Most extreme cost 0.764, least 0.606, or so they really thought. The exceptionally normal for the month 0.684. The USD to ETH figure toward the month's end 0.711, change for July 8.9%. USD to ETH expectations for August 2023, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Initially cost at 0.711 Ethereums. Greatest cost 0.763. Beautiful least 0.663 in a very significant manner. The normal for the month 0.712. The USD to ETH gauge toward the month's end 0.709. Change for August 0.3% in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to Ethereum gauge for September 2023. In the first place cost at 0.709 Ethereums. Greatest cost 0.743, least 0.646. The normal for the month 0.697. The USD to ETH conjecture